Giona here, and today I'm gonna be watching the Gigil by BGYO lyrics video. Because I live in another side of the world, the Spotify link does not work until 12 a.m. EST, and so I won't see it. I know the YouTube videos tend to be lower quality for some reason, because it just sounds so much better on Spotify, iTunes, and stuff like that. But we have no choice. I have been alienated from GDMs because I know I get spoiled, and so I got out. I did not leave, but I can't go and make chica. So I'm gonna watch this even though it's a lyrics video. Tignan natin kung magigigil ba talaga. Charing! Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Lasya, lakas. Yung sabi ni G, pang Canadian daw to kasi puro No, Canadians. Wait, si Jello ba to? Sandali lang. Daldal kasi. Oh, hi. Nate? I like this part. Jaya's voice is perfect for this one. So this is the part that we already listened to sa teaser. I like that part. Grabe. So this part we already heard as well. Bakit iba yung voice ni Jello? Hindi ako naniniwala si Jello yun. The quality of this YouTube. Gigil. Wait, excuse me? Wait lang. Excuse me? I beg your pardon? Sandali lang. Hindi ko na-expect it. Wait. Kalam na shock ako! I'm going woo! Whoa! Wow! Good job. There was a change. Okay. Kasi ngayon, ito, narinig mo na to, diba? Pero it's more tasteful kasi meron yung break na yun sa gitna. Hey! Gigil. Gigil. Wait, tapos na yun? Bitin naman ito, nakakasura. Teka lang, ulit. Maikli. Nakakainis. I mean, nakakagigil. Ang ikli niya. Hindi ko alam. Malamang it's the quality of the sound from here. Kasi sobrang laki talaga ng difference pag pinakinggan sa YouTube at saka pag pinakinggan mo sa mga streaming platforms like Spotify or iTunes. Pero parang, medyo morphed yung boses ni Jello. Hindi lang ako, ewan ko. Papakinggan ko ulit. Pero, oh my gosh, gustong-gusto ko yung lyrics dun sa part ni Mickey Like, the rhymes were like on point. Tapos yung delivery ni Mickey was like really good. Tapos yung dun sa gitna na I was ready to go like, gigit. Tapos hindi pala yun yung yung sound. Like, binago nila. So, that was JL and Akira. Tapos si Aki yung nakanta nung main. And then JS just going like, ooh. Sa background. It was so good. Like, oh, ganda nung ng boses nila. Tsaka yung mga adlib ni JL. Oh, so good. I really like that part. Kasi nung pagka-play ulit nung alam na natin na tunog na gigil, yung pagka-play nun, after nung part ni JK, ni JL tsaka ni Aki, yung part ni Jello ng gigil. Ang sarap niya ng pakinggan. Kasi hindi ka naumay na paulit-ulit siya. When technically, paulit-ulit talaga siya. Okay. Yung first part na si Jello tsaka si Nate, parang wala pa ako sa sarili nung pinapakinggan ko. Hindi ako nakafocus. Pero papakinggan ko ulit. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Kuha mo ang aking gigil. Kuha mo ang aking gigil. Kung na mapigil, the way you move your body got me feeling so tight. Nabitin, kahit di gamitin ang mabulaklak kong mga salita. Oh, hi.
Ang cute nun. Kasi kahit hindi ko nagamitin yung mabulaklak kong salita. Tapos ang sinabi lang, oh, hi. Like, pakay ka na kaagad. Pagka, oh, hi pa lang. Wait lang. Kinilig mag-isa, parang tanga. Gusto ko na makita yung performance video. Bukas pa lalabas namin yun eh. You know what? Bagay din kay Jello yun as a dancer. Because like, the way Jello dances is just, oh my gosh, wait lang. Wait, nasan ba yun? Sige. Sabi niya, diba? Di ko na mapigil. The way you move your body got me feeling so tight. The way you move your body is like the way he dances, you know. Like, I've always talked about how much I love how Jello dances. It's like, it's just so different. It puts people in a trance, almost. Bias. Pero, ang ganda ng movements niya. And may tula ako dyan dati. I don't know if I've shared it here or sa Twitter. Pero, it's perfect for the next part. The way you move your body got me feeling so tight. Nabitin. Kahit di gamitin, ang mabulaklak kong mga salita. And that's perfect because like, I always like yung hinahalin tulad. Hindi ko maisip ang English na hinahalin tulad right now. Pero like kung hinahalin tulad yung pagsayaw ni Jello into writing poetry because that's my forte. I write poems and I love writing poems. And sobrang different niya sa forte ni Jello, which is dancing. Pero whenever I watch him dance, I feel like he's writing poetry. So it's just, ako lang ba? Parang tanga? O na kahit di gamitin ang mabulaklak kong mga salita. Ano yun? Salita. Okay lang pala. Na kahit hindi magsalita si Jello, pero nasayaw siya. To me, it sounds like poetry. So I still enjoy it. Oh my gosh, it's perfect! Ako lang naman pala nakarelate. Parang tanga. Teka, ulit ka. Nahay. Parang tanga si Gigi. Manahimik ka nga, te. Go. Ang dahil ba? Rek na rek siya. Ano ba? Nabitin. And the way that was delivered, nabitin. Kahit di gamitin. Ooh! Bilisan na baka matuluyan pa. Oh, Nate! Nate's delivery was really good too. Nate's voice. Oh, my baby Nate. Oh my gosh. His voice sounds so good. Alam mo yung malalim na parang ang kalma. Pero ang pogi. Nate, good job my baby. Baby! Alam ko naman ang iyong gusto. Kahit di na natin pag-usapan pa. Bilisan na baka matuluyan pa. JL. Hindi ko mapigilan. Hey. At sa mga ni Aki dito, mga hey! Ang so cool! Tapos si Aki naman yung nakanta, tapos si JL naman yung, yay! Gumaganon sa likod. Miguel! Mickey! Feeling ko bias wrecker ko na si Mickey. Kasalanan to ni Hesaya. I like this part. So good. So good. Wait lang. Oh. You know, because like, the way Mickey raps is already really good. But like, with the rhymes, alam mo, simple lang naman yung rhyme eh. Pero the way he delivers it, na may diin talaga. Oh, so good. Mga tingin, di ko na kailangan pang magpapansin. Meaty it. So good. Let's go, Mickey. Grabe. Tayo lang hanggang sa magdamagan pa. And then they changed that because that was also like the same as Nate's part, but they changed the lyrics to it. Then it sounds new. Grabe. Tayo lang hanggang sa magdamagan pa. Tapos ang sarap na nito pakinggan ng part ni Jello kasi hindi siya nakakaumay. So good. Sandali! Jarkira ba yun? Lo? Teka lang. Alam mo, sobrang ganda talaga ng mix ng boses ni Jello at saka ni Akira. Pag pinagsama mo, hindi ko napansin kanina. Si Akira pala yung nag-ano dun sa background. Natin pag-usapan pa. Tayo lang hanggang sa magdamagan pa. Hindi pa pinanggigitilan. Teka baka mamaya hindi ko matigilan. Sarap ko talaga titigan. Kuha mo ako sa iyong mga tinginan. Kanina pa pinanggigitilan. Pero naman mamaya handa ka nang lapitan. And then it's JL here, right? It's JL here na nagba-background for Nate. Si JL nga. Gigel. Nakalimutan ako may gandang part. Sandali. Oh my God, ang ingay mo, ante. Nahimik, sumasakit yung ulo ko. Ano ba yan? Nakalimutan ko, alam mo yun, na-surprising pa rin siya. Kahit na, okay, this is my second listen, tapos pa stop pa ako. Pero nakalimutan ko na may ganun nga palang part. Parang it surprises you every time kasi you're expecting something else and then it plays a different one. Oh. Because you're ready to go like, gigil, mapigil. Wait, ano daw? Hindi po, ano? Nakikigil, di ko na mapigil. Nakikigil, wag mo na itigil. Mali yung lyrics. Nakikigil, wag mo nang itigil. Gigil sa iyong ganda, gigil na talaga ikay makuha. Gigil sa iyong mga ngiti, bawat ka lang may parang nawawala lang sa sarili. Gigil sa iyong ganda, gigil lang talaga ikay makuha. Gigil sa iyong mga ngiti, bawat ka lang may parang nawawala lang sa sarili. Kanina pa pinanggigitilan. Bagay na bagay kay Jelly yung part na yun, what the heck? Si Akira pa ba yung bumibirit doon? So good. Sarap mo talagang titigan. Kuwang-kuwa mo sa iyong mga tinginan. Oh, Mickey! Excited ako sa live. Gusto ko manood. Kuwang-kuwa mo ang aking gigil. Kuwang-kuwa mo ang aking gigil. That was actually good. Actually, ngayon na na-digest ko na siya, hindi pala siya ganun super kaikli. That was fine actually. Okay, to be honest, I was like a little bit worried about this one. Kasi, alam niyo naman, with the promotions, and everything, it was like, sobrang baba na talaga ng expectation ko dito sa kanta. Pero like, when they released the teaser, yung 30 seconds nga na for the dance challenge, I was like, oh, this actually sounds good. And like, the choreo was really good as well. So, medyo humopya ng konti. Pero yun nga, basag na naman tayo sa promotion. So, parang medyo nawala na naman ako ng, alam mo yun, yun. But the song is actually really good. Oh, I really enjoyed it. Wow, actually. Masarap siyang stream. Hindi ko ma-explain kasi hindi rin naman ako maalam sa music. Pero, as a listener, masarap siya. Like, does that make sense? Ang sarap talaga ng part nung pasok nung kay Jello dun sa after nung JL Aki na part na yung nag-iba, di ba? Yung nanggigigil na part doon. Tapos yung pagpasok ni Jello na medyo smooth kasi si Aki doon parang parang ganun yung atake nung part niya. Tapos pagpasok nung kay Jello na medyo smooth na, kanina pa kita, ganon. Ang sarap niyang pakinggan. Does that make sense? Like, I can't think of like a better word but masarap. Does that make sense? Tapos pagkadating niya dun sa pinakadulo na part, na si Jello pa rin yung kumakanta, ang interesting na hindi pa rin ako naumay dun. Hindi ko alam kung if there's like a slight difference, parang pareho lang naman. Pero hindi ako naumay. Masarap pa rin siya dun sa dulong part. Parang gusto ko pakinggan ulit. Si OA! Pero yun, sobrang na-enjoy ko siya, actually. Na-surprise din ako sa sobrang baba na expectations ko. Pero, maganda talaga yung song. Like, hindi ako nang-eme. Like, genuinely, I think the song is really good. And I like na nagustuhan ko siya in a personal way dahil dun sa part ni Jello sa umpisa. I thought it was perfect for him, but that's just my personal reasoning. Pero, na-enjoy ko siya. Lahat ng parts actually was very good. I'm excited to see the performance video. Medyo, right now, yung disconnect ng picture na ni-release nila na sobrang colorful at saka yun dun sa kanta na medyo sexy vibes. Parang feeling ko hindi siya match. Pero ngayon na narinig ko na to, medyo playful nga siya na parang okay lang naman na colorful. Pero tignan natin. Bukas ko pa yun mapapanood ng umaga. Kasi yung 8 p.m. is 5 a.m. sa akin. So, I'm trying na hindi naman muna magpuyat dahil nahihilo na talaga ako. Hindi ko na kaya. So, bukas na ako manonood, I think. But, yeah. Oh my gosh, I really enjoyed this. Good job, BGYO. I hope this, the song reaches a lot of people because it is really good. Like, do the dance challenge, aces, casuals, kung sino ka man nanonood ngayon, do the dance challenge. Mukha lang siyang mahirap, pero kapag na-practice mo na, okay naman siya. Dancerous yan, te. Manahimik ka. Pero yun, let me know what you thought of the song, the lyrics, like the music, yung parts nila, everything. Sa comments, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Woo, BGYO! Bye-bye!